How to create Uber Eats account. So the very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Uber Eats is installed on your device. If not, you can easily get it from your app store. Once it is installed on your device, open it. It will land you on this home page. In this page, you can see 4 different IDs. Continue with Apple ID, your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email address. From all of those accounts, you can choose any one specific account. So let me create my account through my Google account. So tap on continue with Google and then tap on continue. Select your specific Google account. Tap on allow. Once again click on allow. Well, it will land you on this interface. So right here it says the Uber Eats is not available in your country or the region. So your account is not being able to create. In this case, all you want to do is wait for the Uber Eats to make this feature available in your country. Till then, you can try using the VPN. It may or may not work for you. Once this feature is available in your country, your account will be created successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your Uber Eats account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.